Good morning, guys. We are on our way to the beach. Ollie, you feel good?
Absolutely. Got to work on that tan.
We were told yesterday, why do you guys look so white still? And I don't know what the answer to that is. Too much sunblock?
Genetics.
Genetics.
I didn't have you today.
No, thank you, sir. It's currently Chinese New Year, so there's a lot of tourists out and about here that include Chinese, Koreans and English teachers. This is Ollie's last day here, and he's eager to meet up with our new friends.
Good friends. We hung out this morning.
Really?
For you guys.
Same little guy? Hello, Nina. Mangosteen, rambutan mango. A lot of dive resort options, some restaurants too, and also massage options. Hello, sir. No, I don't need a turtle. It's a very, very cute turtle.
The cave stone.
Cave stone?
Yeah.
Carved. Wow.
Small price for you, man.
I like that.
Yeah.
Do you like that? But
It's
I
cute.
actually like the smaller ones.
Yeah,
Like when
Hair
I
designs.
like those.
but discount now.
Yeah, you decide later. Go out on town or get a massage?
God, I'm done, but I still want to buy a t-shirt.
Yeah. Oh, there's beverages right here. Sure. So you can also find the 7-Eleven right beside McDonald's on the main strip to head down to the beach. It's also a place where you can get donuts and stuff, like little snacks, local snacks. Dumplings. Ollie tried one of those last time. There doesn't seem to be rules here on making cigarettes really unappealable. Here we see Winston, the pleasurable kind of strong Winston. Hi, hello. Hello, sir. Yeah. This is the place to be.
Come here in the Philippines, more money.
Yeah, come spend money. Goodbye, guys.
Right, should we go back to the hotel, get our stuff?
Yeah.
Natasha, how big that fry packet is?
Wow, there's a lot of fries. Pick it easy. Just received my adobo chicken. The adobo itself is really tasty. It tastes almost, yeah, like a thick kind of curry or gravy. Rice is fresh and it seems like a very, very simple dish. Literally chicken, onion, possibly kaffir leaves, and the sauce itself. Ollie's actually heading out soon, so this is our last meal together.
So sad.
Ollie, do you think you're going to return someday?
No, absolutely. I'd love to come back. Yeah, I didn't expect this at all. It's really nice. The people are so kind, and the food's been incredible.
Yep. I didn't really expect Alona to be so enjoyable, because the last time I visited two years ago, I thought it was a little bit dirty. There's too much going on, particularly with the diving boats coming to the harbour. Developed different opinions about it. Adobe chicken lunch was great. Said goodbye to Ollie. He's now headed back to Tagbilaran to get the boat back to Cebu Island. He returns to Korea tomorrow. And I'm now headed to my new accommodation. Look at that view. Try it now.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. I've ordered a Pancit Canton, which is a local Filipino dish that's served with seafood and also noodles. Wow, that is really fresh, and it's quite bitter in fact. Acidic aftertaste.
Pancit Canton.
I can't identify what's in this sauce. If you know what the Pancit Canton sauce is made of, please drop it in the comments below so that I know what on earth this is. Squid is cooked perfectly. Chicken or pork? Get a bit of sauce. That's pork. This reminds me a little of like a Chinese stir fry or a chop suey. I wonder if this particular meal is in fact related to perhaps some kind of Chinese heritage that was left here. When you're in the Philippines, what do you eat? What are the top 5 meals that you must try? I love lechon. I've tried sisig. Sisig is not my favorite. See you, bye Lito. Guys, I'm finally heading in the direction of home.